Hi, LinkedIn Ads Library. Now, LinkedIn Ads Library is a great tool for competitor analysis or competitor research. So you can search by company or advertiser's name here. So you can put the name of your competitors and can search what kind of ads are they running. You can search by keyword here. You can search by country. You can search by date. You can also select a particular date range as well. So you can, let's say, just search by any company, for example, and just put in the search here. So you can see the ads which your particular company is running. You can also search here by keyword. So let's say if I just put in a keyword Drupal, for example, here, you can search from here. With these keywords, you can search here. Similarly, let's say if you want to search about sponsored messaging, like what kind of sponsored messaging ads a particular company is running. So you can put this keyword percentage, first name, percentage, and you can put the search here. So you can see here the sponsored messaging campaigns that are currently running, and you can put your competitor's name here, and you can see like what kind of messaging are they running. So yeah, so it's a great tool in short for competitor analysis and to understand what kind of campaigns your competitor is running. Thanks so much.